tip, I'm going to show you a new function that I learned recently. It's called wrap rows. When you're presented with a list of data like this, so I've got a list of names, you can tell how old I am from the cartoon characters, and I'd like to wrap them in a different way. So I don't want them in a long list, I'd like them to be laid out differently. So I'm going to start with a new function called equals wrap, and you'll see as you start to type it, the function helper pops up. So I'm going to go down to wrap rows, press tab to select. And then it gives me some choices. It says, what do you want to do? Where is the vector or the range you want to get the data from? So I'm going to select my data. And then I pop in a comma because I finished doing that. And the next thing is the wrap count. Now that's how many columns or how do I want this to wrap? Well, I've got 15 and I like it to wrap by 3. And you'll see in a moment what that means. Now I don't need to do anything else. The pad width is optional. And at that point, I'm going to complete the formula. And you'll see that my data spills across into all these other cells. And it's now laid out in a slightly different way. Maybe that's how I wanted it. But you'll notice that if I click on any of these other cells, the function is grayed out. If I want to keep the data only and have it arranged like this, then my best bet is to copy it and then write and do a paste special for paste values. When you paste anything with paste values, it strips out the formula sitting behind it. So this has got a formula sitting behind it and this one doesn't. So now I've got my data turned around and wrapped into 3 nice columns. So have a play with that and let me know how you get on.